Is STI Awareness Week, and Wisconsin health officials say new data shows the rates of sexually transmitted infections are decreasing overall, but continue to be high across the state. In 2024, DHS got more than 31,000 reports of STIs. Of those infections, over half were reported in people from 15 to 24 years old. Health officials say syphilis cases in particular have continued to increase over the last 5 years, with a 1,450% increase from 2019. That is higher than the national average. There are also 31 cases of congenital syphilis, which is when the infection is passed on to a baby during pregnancy.